Alright, I'm going to be changing my sister's phone screen out. She broke it. Don't know, you can't see it very well on that, but she broke it and it started cracking up. So, she got a replacement screen, and now I will be replacing her screen for her. Hopefully everything goes well and I have no problems, but we'll see how it goes. Oh my gosh, they're genius. You know what the screen came with? A magnetic screw mat so I don't mess the screws up. You know how ingenious that is? I was worried that I was going to misplace the screws and mess it up. But they have a magnetic mat. That is ingenious. I have to give these people credit. Yeah, that'll still make it easier. Okay, I've gotten her phone opened up. It took me a minute to get the adhesive off because, well, it's a newer phone, so the adhesive was a lot stronger than I anticipated. Now all I've got to do is disconnect the battery. Then I got to disconnect these two wires on the screen. Then we'll be good to go to start actually taking the parts off this screen and putting them on the next one. Pardon my shakiness, I'm just a little nervous because I have my sister's phone completely open, and if I fail, yeah, that's not going to end good. I don't think it will at all. Alright, here we are. I've taken the screen off, and we have the phone by itself right here, so that's pretty cool. I will now be taking, there's a couple more parts that I have to take off because I actually have to switch the entire home button onto this new screen. But, I'm doing pretty good right now. I'm loving this mat right here, just keeping all my screws organized. I mean, they look a lot bigger on the phone, but if I put my finger right by that's how tiny they are. That's just this is my thumb finger. Pinky finger, like, they are giant, they are itty bitty. So that's the reason they look so far off their circle. You've got the two down there, and every dot on this mat corresponds to a screw I have to take off. So, yeah, I'll come back once I've gotten to the next step. Alright, so, screen is off. I've gotten the camera and speaker off. I've gotten the home button off. We've gotten the metal bracket that holds it all off. We've got all this taken apart. We've got all these. First off, who decided to make these screws so microscopic? You want to see how tiny they are? Part of my bad camera skills. But that is my finger. Okay, here's my thumb. My thumb won't even fit on the camera at this point. This is just my pointer finger. Do you see how tiny that screw is? Okay, it's like smaller than an ant. That is just ridiculous, and yeah, that was one of the reasons I was stressed out about this. But I'm gonna go show my sister her screen right now. This is the broken one. Hey, Michael. Here she is. Here, do you want to see your screen? Sure. Here you go. Here's your broken screen. You can do whatever you want with that. You can see your phone taken apart.
Are you sure you can put it back together?
Oh, I'm sure I can put it back together. Do you see? You want to see how tiny these screws are?
Yeah, that's not helping.
They're itty bitty.
That's pretty cool. That magnetic thing?
Yeah, don't slide it. Do you see how? Don't slide it. Just
okay.
Don't slide it.
Alright.
Okay, well, can you give me that screen back, please?
I thought you didn't want it. I mean, need it anymore.
I don't, but I want to keep it just in here, just in case.
Okay.
Alright, well, anyway, I gotta get back to working. This time I don't have my mom, you know, helping me video, so that's why you only get bits and pieces, but yeah, I'll be back in a second. So, I gotta find a screw in this mess. And it's one of the itty bitty ones I was showing you. So, yeah, this is going to definitely set me back. Oh, nope, that's not it. Alright, well, ooh. Do you see that? That's the size of the screw. I could be stepping on it and I didn't know. Well, anyway, minor setback. And this is the third screw I've dropped. I just decided to video it this time because, well, I'll be back. I'm using the flashlight to try and maybe make the screw, you know, shimmer or something, because it is metal, so it's reflective. Ever heard of finding a needle in a haystack? Yeah, I think this is actually harder because I can't feel it. I will only be able to see it. I don't really think she needs that screw. It's just one screw, right? 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 Just one screw? Well, it's just one screw. Yeah, it's just one screw. What the heck? Alright, time to keep going. Alright, so I'm pretty impressed. I got everything over here. I got the camera. Oh, my flash is on, forgot about that, but I got my camera and speaker on along with the front camera and the flash. I got those on. This is the old screen. I've pretty much stripped it of everything but this screen. Put it here, and I gotta attach a couple more wires. I gotta now just attach these two things together, and then guess what? We're gonna see if I did it or if I messed up and I have to explain to Becca how I broke her phone. So yeah, that's gonna be, hopefully it works. That's all I can say. Alright, right, so I'm watching the video and the guy's like, alright, at this point test your phone, and if it doesn't turn on, make sure your connection is stable, and if your connection is stable and it still won't turn on, you may have just screwed something up. Wow, that's really motivating. Thanks for that. So far it looks like it's working. I don't know what our code is. Yes, I still have the screen protector on. Let me just try. I guess I have that screen thing on, so it will not let me figure it out, but looks like it's working. Let me. Yep, home button worked. Yeah, it looks like everything's working. Oh, she's getting all of her notifications. They will slide, so that means the screen works perfectly fine. It's a little not as touchy because I still have the screen thing on, but I think I should probably put the phone back together. But yeah, I'm gonna power our phone back off and finish putting it together. So far, it's actually successful. All right, well anyway, I gotta finish putting it together. Then I'll give it to her. Yeah, all right, be back in a minute. Good news, we got it completely together. I'm gonna peel. It's hard to do this one-handed, but I still can. Peel it off. Oh, look at that, it's so pretty. It's like a new phone, see that? Okay, down there's a little dirty because I had to peel right there off to get the home screen in, but look up here. It's like a new phone. It's super pretty. Super pretty. Alright. Sadly, she won't let me know her code. I mean, the back, that's the same old, the metal is a little scratched up here there from dropping it, but like, let me swipe down. Oh right, she doesn't swipe down anymore, she swipe. Which direction does she swipe? I don't know, she has a newer phone than me, so I'm never sure. Oh, right, it has to put the password in, so her phone is not going to work at all. That's annoying. Let's guess random things. Oh, whoops. That was an accident. Looks like I have to wait a minute before I give it to her. Anyway. Don't want to break her screen again. That was pretty successful. We've got our old screen, as you can see, it's cracked down here. You can't really see it well in the video, but it's actually gone across the entire bottom of the screen. And then it also moved up into the middle of the phone, so that's why she was like, please replace my screen. And I was like, oh yes, I will replace your screen, I am a genius. It's like exactly how the conversation went. I'm gonna add the screen protector. It looks like they have a cool tool to put it on. See, it says easy on. That won't be part of the video because this is just putting a screen protector on. But yeah, I'll give her her phone in a minute. Alright, I got her case on, I got her screen protector on. I did a pretty darn good job with that screen protector, if I do say so myself. I will now bring her her phone. This is a mess because I stopped organizing the second I had finished putting the screen on. So I'm gonna have to clean this up. But yeah, I'll bring her her phone and see what she thinks. Alright, so I'm completely done changing the screen out and putting the screen protector on. Now I gotta clean up this mess. That isn't mine. I can blame whoever's desk this is for that, but that is all mine. So yeah. Stupid shakiness.